as ghost dog.
This one is going to be interesting.
This trip is the fourth trip of Bundu Rovers in 2024. Planning started about 4 weeks ago, contacting a member of the community to help us set up a campsite. My name is Peter. I'm the drive captain for the Bundu Rovers trip to Shompole in 2024. Bundu Rovers is a group of like-minded people who like the outdoors, 4x4s, driving, camaraderie. It's a club that was started around 15 years ago by a group of friends in Nairobi, and it has since grown to become a group of both Kenyans, East Africans and foreigners that share the interest of exploring Kenya and the neighboring countries in East Africa.
I'm with Alandi today, and trust me guys, this thing performs like crazy. So the trip has been good. We came all the way from Kiserian to Shompole Hills. We went all the way to Lake Natron. It was a beautiful sight.
Good morning. My name is Donald. I'm a member of the Bundu Rover. So we came here yesterday for this event. As you can see, having a Land Rover Defender. This is TDI 300. And I'm here with my kids, Ronnie and Abby. Ronnie, say hi. Abby, say hi. And I'm also here with my younger brother.
Rasta's here, new member. I'm here with my entire clan. So yeah, guys, we've been having fun. We came here to, of course, to enjoy the wild. Behind us, you can see the wow, beautiful Shompole Hill. Well, I'm driving a Y61. That's a Nissan Patrol. Coming from Nairobi to Shompole was basically a lot of downhill. I've just checked the vitals this morning. The consumption is not bad. It has 2 fuel tanks, 90 liters and 45 liters.
Yeah, so this morning there is a team going for hiking. Yeah, and then the entire team will be going for a game drive, nature drive in the afternoon. So we'll be relaxing here morning hours, and then afternoon we'll go for the nature drive.
Okay, kwa majina yangu mimi naitwa Joshua Barsaloj, mkaaji hapa Shompole. Mimi ndio guide hapa Shompole, na hivi leo tumeweza kupokea wageni wa Bundu Rovers katika eneo la Shompole. Hili ni conservancy ambayo ni ya community, nikiwa mmoja wao, na mimi ndio guide wa hapa Shompole.
Oh, look at the hills. That was actually targeted. Scorpion. It's been a very good experience. First time being in overland in Kenya. I've been doing this a number of times in Tanzania, so I'm happy that I came here. It's been a good experience being able to see such a beautiful scenario. It's been good teamwork, met new friends, and that's good. I look forward to becoming more and more to Kenya. Hey.
Does anyone have beer?
The entire team will be going for nature drive. So far, I'm very happy with the consumption and performance. So Defender just had, its best natural habitat, which is a real overland overland driving on such challenging terrain and even terrain rocky, going through the waters, wading through the waters. Wow, it was quite challenging, especially driving at night. Navigation was quite challenging. We missed arriving early. It looks like it's a nice place, just to do nature drive and, to admire the sceneries. At night, we could still see this interesting scenery. So I was just, admiring the team who came earlier. They must have really enjoyed more than us. Yeah, of course, the road was so difficult. Yeah, but we managed with our Defender, yeah.
Shepherd is moving. Shepherd 1, 2, 3. Cut. The captain needs to sit down. Shepherd 1, 2, 3.
Coming here was unknowingly so. You hear about Shompole and you're like, okay, what is it? It's a conservancy. What does that mean? But the views, you know that you're right in the Rift Valley. The views are breathtaking. The flamingos, watching them fly along Lake Natron is just, it's beautiful.
Nimeweza kupeleka wageni wa Bundu, tumeweza kufika katika maeneo ya Lake Natron na pia tumeweza kufanya game drive na pia tumeweza kufanya hiking juu ya Shompole ya milima ya Shompole na pia tukakuwa na bonfire, busi choma na mambo mengi yamefanyika hapa. Kwa hivyo wageni wa Bundu wameweza kufurahia mahali hapa na kama community hii pia tumeweza kufaidika.
Yeah, performance was brilliant. As you know, the Land Rovers always have their challenges, but this time we were more manageable. Getting up in the morning, fixing some few things, comes back into normal, then driving it back. The challenges mainly is the ignition, which had a problem, but now it's working. That was the biggest challenge. Weather was perfect. We couldn't face any challenge. The terrain was brilliant. Wasn't as hard.
Hi guys. My name is Michael Saruni and this is my second time coming to a Bundu Rovers trip, and I'm here courtesy of Godi. So Godi made sure that I attend. I'm a Toyota guy, but I'm with a Landi today, and trust me guys, this thing performs like crazy. So the trip has been good. We came all the way from Kiserian to Shompole Hills. We went all the way to Lake Natron. It was a beautiful sight. The only thing I wish is that we camped at Lake Natron, but I'm sure we'll get to do that the other time. And it's been a real experience because we're not camping at a campsite per se, but we're camping in the middle of nowhere. You know, it's a real wild experience. So guys, make sure you join Bundu Rovers. I'm not a member yet, but the next trip I will be a member, guys. Cheers, Bundu Rovers any day.
Two cars got stuck in the crossing of the water, and it was fun to watch.
Which one won between
Toyota.
Toyota?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
There is the team effort, the support, I saw ladies coming out there and challenging each other. The ideas actually that got us out from some of those muds or sticky situations were from the ladies, and the team effort. I think to me that is fantastic. I've not experienced that up close.
Great company. We had lots of Land Rovers on the trip, so don't need to change the club logo anymore, and that's always fun. So there were kids on the trip who had a good time, and if you don't know, it's a special camp, so no facilities whatsoever, and survived it. 4 goats later, it's a good ending to the weekend.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? We had a lot of fun. We stayed here for 3 days. We came here at night. It was very fun. Ronnie was falling asleep at night. So we seen 2 flamingos. He didn't see because he was sleeping. We came here to camp. We went to the water. Ronnie was scared because he didn't want to get inside the water. So he get inside. So now we are going back home. First let's wait for that to make the tent. Then he packs all the things inside the car. Then we'll go back home. Bye.
Good. So we're at the end of the first trip I went on as a new Bundu Rovers member, and it's been just nothing short from amazing. I think we've been on this campsite now for the last 2 days. Camping very wild. It's been quite a good experience. Yesterday we went hiking, then we had some sundowners at the lake. You're literally in the middle of nowhere, there's no one here. It was just us at Lake Natron, with us and flamingos actually. So yeah, I can only say it's been nothing short from amazing, and we'll be happy to become the regular members too.
Okay. No. I agree.